Good morning, it's 11 a.m. and we have something to show all of you. And the title of this video will be Months No. So let's see. Look at the buck tooth. Zoom in closer, please. Look at that buck tooth. He's really enjoying the sleep. So folks, don't stay out late if you can. Don't end up like him. Thank you.